Morning and welcome to Stansted Airport once again. We are back. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I've just come back from a night out. No sleep whatsoever, but we're here.
Time to go through security. Surely no queue at this time of the morning.
Right, so as it's international break, I thought to myself, let's just book another flight somewhere. So this flight cost me $14.99. Yeah, so off we go to gate 92. I'm going to Nantes in France. Can you believe it? I can't believe it, but let's see what it's got to offer. I don't think there's anything there, apart from an elephant.
Seems like people like going to France, don't they? Look at this. Unbelievable.
Okay, we have landed in Nantes. It's a bit chilly. The sun's out though. And I'm still in shorts and t-shirt with a gilet. So now we've got to figure out how to get to the city centre, which could be a problem. Taxi or not? We'll get taxi or public transport?
Yeah. Finally getting out of the airport. I believe we're looking for 419. So this is the room for tonight. There's a really funny odour coming from that toilet. It stinks. 2 single beds. This is the view. Beautiful.
We have just checked into the Apart City Comfort, and we're on the hunt for escargot, snails, and frogs' legs. Now we'll get some breakfast first. We'll explore the city. It's very quiet. I think I'm shouting a bit too much, but
what a nice day out, eh?
First interaction with a local. Big up to Christophe in Palette. He's given us a breakfast place to go, so we're going to go there now.
I believe this is the breakfast. We've got eggs, bit of granola, a couple of hot chocolates, orange juice, and a bit of bread. Oh, it looks like we've stumbled across St. Nicholas Basilica. Yeah, look. Oh, look, we can go in if you want. Look, there's an entrance there. It's very quiet in here.
Do you know what? What's a day out? I think it's time for a beer in the square. Sun's out.
Here we go, we're in the square. And then some fella was blowing bubbles over there. Oh yeah, there he is. This beer and that beer cost €8.50. Are you having a laugh, mate? Well, we got free crisps and all that, or whatever that is, bread, so it's fine. Just heading into the Passage Pommeraye, which is a shopping centre. Looks decent, doesn't it?
Right, we're just walking through some market now. Smells of fish, got fish everywhere. Yeah, I think it's a fish market. That makes sense, right? That's why it smells of fish all the time. Maybe I can buy a salmon.
It's a very busy market, very busy.
Blimey, so we've been in that market. It is insane. It's just rammed. You've got random things in there. There was like, what is it, lamb's head or something?
Yeah, lamb's head.
A lamb's head. You had liver, you had fish, obviously cloves and all that. Just coming out of it now. No, it's decent around here, to be fair.
Here's a statue of the Villebois Morel of the French infantry. It was like during the Second Boer War. Il y a un cinéma. Listen, my French, GCSE's coming in. What is Genghis Khan doing up here?
So it looks like, out of all the restaurants we could choose, we're in this lovely French city. We've chosen to go to Subway. It's not my fault, don't blame me.
Parmesan, Oregon, or wrap. Or at least they got chicken tikka. Seems like everyone comes out in France after like 3 o'clock. It's packed. Quick scran before the England game. We've got margarita. Oh, margarita as well. Baby. Wow. And beer. And a beer. That is not how you cut a pizza, mate. Whoa! Bash. Beer. And football. Come on, England. More beers, no Wi-Fi, mate. All right, England are playing. Relax, mate. Nice Guinness, mate.
Sex on the beach with a bit of hot sauce. Not bad, you know. That is decent.
They said free entry before 12:30, but of course we're English. We've paid €15. Beautiful, mate. It's all French songs. I don't know what's going on. He does know either, mate.
Well, good morning. It's Sunday from Nantes. We went out yesterday to some club, right? It said free entry before 12:30, and we ended up paying €15. What's all that about? Anyway, today we're actually going to explore what this city has to offer. So there's an elephant, walk along the river, and then I believe the castle. So yeah, we'll do that today. Get some breakfast. And yeah.
Went to that pizza place yesterday in there. Seems like a ghost town in the morning. What's going on? We had to try the local cuisine. Just walk into the castle now, and I have come across a football pitch that goes round. That is different, to say the least.
Behind me here is the Château des Ducs de Bretagne. This served as the centre of Brittany until 1956, until its separation. And you can see the moats around. We'll go around in a minute, but it actually looks all right.
This is the green trail that leads you to like all art sculptures, and it ends you. Wait, I think this one's ended actually at the castle. So, well, let's follow it and see where it goes.
We've been following this green line for like 5 minutes, and you know what it is? It's the element of surprise to see what's at the end of the line. It might be something cool. I mean, it probably is, because it's like artistic stuff in it or something, sculptures. Oh, it goes down there, I think.
Oh, the line is still going. It's taking us down some cobble street. I have no idea where this is going. A quick little pit stop. How's the beer, mate?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. That's all we need. Look at that. Well, it looks like we've hit a crossroad. You want to go up there? Yeah, but that one's faint. It's fainted a little bit. I think this one, that seems a bit more scenic down there. All right.
So we've made it to the end of the first line, or the start of the first line, and it's taken us to the train station. I think this is the start. We need to go the other way.
Green line's taken us to a football stadium. It used to be the home of FC Nantes up until 1984, and they moved out just outside the city. So I don't know who plays there now. Maybe a lower league team. I'll have a look. But look at this lovely clean water, eh?
Yeah, so FC Nantes moved to Stade de la Bourgeois. I saw it on the plane coming over, but they used to play here. Reminds me a bit of Brentford Stadium, you know? It's like in between buildings, quite small, not bad. Well, I just found out Nantes women are playing Marseille women. I don't think we can watch it because it kicks off at 3 and we've got to get back to the airport. Shame, could have actually seen a football game.
I think we're getting closer to this elephant monument thing. I think it's over there. The elephant sign over there, so it must be for here. It looks like a vulture, doesn't it? Oh no, it's the heron. That's it, the Le Grand Heron. That makes sense. I found the big elephant. Basically, you could have paid about €9 to go on it, but look, it's going so slowly. But you can take a ride on it if you want to.
And there it is, the famous elephant. It is actually insane.
Look at that. The mechanical elephant. They've actually built it so well. I don't know if I'll get it on camera, but the trunk, it squirts water out. Look at that. Oh, just missed it. Look at the size of it. So look, you can even go inside it if you wanted to. Right at the top, and you've got the driver just sitting there. This is the River Loire. Quite a nice day out today, actually. Yesterday there was that massive market. I don't know if you guys remember, but look, it's just car park now, isn't it? I don't even remember if I've come here already, but maybe I think that's a basilica. El Ramen. Go on.
I got ramen, these two here, Subway. Oh, every time, as soon as we go to this square, the music stops. Tried to find frog's legs, but no one had. Like, no restaurant had, so. And we're in France, unbelievable. So now, the time in Nantes is coming to an end, and we go back to the airport very soon.
I wonder what he's reading.
Probably something, I don't know, or probably about birds.
Now we're in the back ends of Nantes.
Nantes do that.
Let's not do that. No idea where we are. Free travel in Nantes. Do you enjoy your free journey? Kieran, are you enjoying the free bus journey, mate? Nice. It's been an absolute pleasure. And the sun is still out. And now it is definitely time to go.
And we are back in London Stansted Airport. Nantes, you know what? It was actually a decent place. I was a bit sceptical about going because I was like, oh, there's not a lot there. But you know what? We made it all right. Went to the club, saw the elephant, saw the things that we needed to see. And you know what? £15, you can't really complain. So, yeah, I'll see you for the next one. Goodbye.